The beauty of African unity, a continent rising. Imagine a continent not defined by borders but united by potential. A place where collaboration fuels innovation and shared heritage paves the way for prosperity. This was how we were before the advent of colonialism, where we traded amongst ourselves mostly through trades by barter. Today, we have abandoned such discussions and majorly focus on our divisions across border lines. While the world harnesses our resources to contribute to Western development, we, on the other hand, carry out less intra-trades within ourselves, especially on the level of small African businesses that should raise the next generation of wealthy Africans. The time for a unified Africa is now, and it's closer than you think. Africa is a vibrant mosaic, a continent brimming with diverse cultures, languages, and breathtaking landscapes. From the bustling markets of Marrakesh to the serene beaches of Zanzibar, the richness is undeniable. This diversity isn't a weakness, it's our greatest strength. It's a testament to the resilience and adaptability of the African spirit. We are bound together by a shared heritage, a common history, and a collective dream for a brighter future. Despite our differences, we share experiences that resonate across borders. The spirit of Ubuntu, the belief in interconnectedness, is woven into the fabric of our societies. This shared humanity is the foundation of African unity. A united Africa unlocks unprecedented economic potential. Imagine a single market, free of trade barriers, where goods and services flow seamlessly across the continent. This is the promise of the African Continental Free Trade Area, AFCFTA. The AFCFTA is more than just a trade agreement. It's a catalyst for growth and development. It creates opportunities for businesses to expand, for entrepreneurs to thrive, and for economies to flourish. We've already seen the power of collaboration in action. The coordinated response to the COVID-19 pandemic demonstrated the strength of African solidarity. Sharing resources, expertise, and knowledge saved lives and protected communities. Pan-Africanism, the belief in the unity of all people of African descent, is the driving force behind this collaboration. It's a vision of a continent working together to achieve shared goals, from economic prosperity to political stability. We cannot ignore the challenges that Africa faces. Poverty, conflict, and inequality continue to hold us back. But these challenges are not insurmountable. Collective action and regional cooperation are essential to overcoming these obstacles. By working together, we can address the root causes of these problems and build a more equitable and just society. We've seen examples of African nations working together to resolve conflicts, promote peace, and provide humanitarian assistance. These efforts demonstrate the power of unity in addressing shared problems. Investing in education, healthcare, and infrastructure is crucial for sustainable development. By prioritizing these areas, we can create opportunities for all Africans to thrive. A united Africa has the potential to become a global leader in innovation, technology, and sustainability. Our young and dynamic population is a driving force for positive change. Africa is home to some of the world's fastest growing economies. With the right investments and policies, we can unlock even greater potential and create a prosperous future for all. Imagine a continent powered by renewable energy, connected by high-speed internet, and driven by innovation. This is the vision of a united Africa playing a pivotal role in shaping the future of the world. The future of Africa is in our hands. By embracing unity, collaboration, and innovation, we can build a brighter future for ourselves and for generations to come. I am aiming to foster conversations that will deliberately focus on intra-trades among Africans to enable us to create wealth among us. And you can learn more about the potential of African unity and work with organizations working towards this goal. This initiative is meant to promote collaboration, trade, and investment across the continent. Advocate for policies that foster unity, peace, and sustainable development, using our voices to amplify the message of hope and optimism for the future of Africa. Invest in African businesses, support African entrepreneurs, and promote African culture. Every action, no matter how small, contributes to advancing African unity. The time for action is now. Therefore, join me and let us work together to build a united Africa as I start off conversations that are intentionally meant to foster a prosperous and thriving Africa. The future is bright and it's ours to create. Hence, I implore you to follow, like, share, and subscribe to take action by joining the upcoming live sessions where we will mainly focus on African intra-trade. Looking forward to engaging in interesting conversations that will build new African intra-trade partnerships.